Let's look at how to use left and right outer joins in a select query. Outer joins have sides, left and right, and they return all the data from one table and only matching data from the other. They're useful when you want to know when something has not happened. For example, a certain item is not selling, or students are not registering for a certain class. So now let's add just a little bit to this. The table that returns all data is called the base table, and the table that returns matches is called the secondary table. Which is the base and which is the secondary table depends on the direction of the join. If you use a right outer join, the table on the right is the base table. If you use a left outer join, the table on the left is the base table. You control whether you're using a left or right outer join in the Join Properties dialog box. Select and then either right-click or double-tap the join line, then Join Properties. Then select the second or third option. So let's put this to work. On the Create tab, select Query Design. Here we'll add the order details and product tables. You can see that Access used a one-to-many relationship as a pattern for the join, and that means it's an inner join. We add the product name and quantity fields, and if we run the query, it only returns data for products that have been ordered. We know this because if the query were returning data for unordered products, we'd see blank records here. Back to Design View. We right-click or double-tap the join line and select Join Properties. Select the second option and notice the join line. The arrow tells you it's an outer join, and it also points to the secondary table. Run the query, sort the data from smallest to largest, and now you know which products are not selling. So what happens if we change to a right outer join? We make the change, run the query, and get the same results as an inner join, no blank records. If we look at the Join Properties dialog box, we see why. We're returning all the data from the Order Details table, but only matches from the Products table. In other words, we're only seeing products that have a corresponding order, and that's the same result returned by an inner join. Now you've seen how to use outer joins in a select query that uses multiple data sources. So, think your joins through, and if you don't get the result you want, you can always change them.